Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Backup important files to cloud or external drive before you start. This includes photos, contacts, and app data you want to keep. Charge your device to at least 50% and enable developer options in settings. Write down the device brand and Android version number to download compatible tools. Install the Android SDK platform tools on your computer for ADB and fast boot access. Create a folder named Recovery Backup on your desktop to store exported images and logs. Boot into fast boot mode by powering off and holding power and volume down together. Connect the device to your computer with a USB cable and confirm fast boot recognizes it. Use the command fastboot erase recovery to remove the recovery partition safely. Wait for the tool to return a success message before proceeding. Reboot the bootloader after erasing with fastboot reboot bootloader to apply changes. If you see an error, take a note of the message for troubleshooting steps. If you need official recovery later, download a matching recovery. IMG from the manufacturer site. Flash stock recovery using fastboot flash recovery. IMG to restore official functionality. Verify deletion by attempting to open recovery from boot menu and confirming absence. Keep the recovery backup folder and device logs for 30 days after the change. If problems occur, use ADB to pull logs and contact manufacturer support with those files. Finally, power cycle the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.